Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 things that make you wealthy. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Most, if not all, of us wish to live in financial security and comfort. We want to be wealthy, able to buy whatever we want, and live a luxurious lifestyle. While the end objective is evident, it might be difficult to determine where to start on your path to prosperity. Before you get started, keep in mind that being wealthy requires time and work. There are only a few ways to gain big sums of money quickly, and they all rely on luck. Not everyone has the chance to win the lottery or receive a fortune from a distant relative. In most circumstances, becoming wealthy necessitates a great deal of effort, patience, and time. There are certain tried and true methods for becoming wealthy, but the key is to work hard on a regular basis. Maintain track of your personal finances and keep your eyes on the prize. The following are the top 10 things that make you wealthy. Number 10. Give back. Giving back to the community is essential. This connects to the previous idea about adding value to the world. Give some of your earnings to a cause that you believe in. You are adding value to the world after adding value to yourself in this way. Giving to charity has another advantage. It makes people think of you as a better person when you support issues they care about. When they see that you aren't planning on keeping the money they give you, and that doing so would benefit their community, they are more likely to trust you. Of course, the tax advantages of donating to charity are a powerful motivator. Every person's definition of wealth is different. Some people are content with a modestly sized home and a middle-class job, while others aspire to be millionaires or billionaires. These actions can help you acquire the level of wealth you desire, regardless of where you think you fall on the spectrum. However, before you begin, be sure to organize your present finances so that your bank account is ready to expand. Number 9. Take calculated risks. There is no way to make money without taking a risk. Every method of producing money, whether it's starting a business or investing in stocks, entails some level of risk. Even selling old furniture entails taking a chance that the customer will show up and pay you. When compared to determining whether or not to spend millions of dollars on a new product line, it's a minor risk. But it's still a risk. To make money, you must take a chance that a business or idea you have will succeed. As a result, it's critical to consider and weigh numerous prospective outcomes before deciding whether or not an investment is worthwhile. Taking chances without considering the consequences is a surefire way to lose money. Risks must be taken in order to generate money, but they must be calculated risks. Number 8. Educate yourself. It is critical to try to educate yourself not only in your chosen subject, but also in worldly matters. Keeping up with the news, for example, is critical if you want to make an investment decision or learn about forthcoming trends. Any attempt to gain money is suffocated by ignorance. This implies that you must continue to educate yourself. You can't afford to ignore important events or trends because each one either a threat or an opportunity for you. It's critical to stay informed about current events. Number 7. Develop patience. Patience is another crucial personality quality for success and wealth. Nothing significant is completed overnight, and you will not become wealthy in a matter of days. All of your efforts to accumulate wealth could take months, if not years, to pay off. It's easy to get upset early on, especially when it seems like every other day there's a new affluent person in the headlines. However, it is critical to recognize that your success does not have to keep up with theirs. Patience can be immensely lucrative in the long term. This isn't to say that you should get complacent and wait things out rather than taking chances. It takes time to achieve success, and becoming frustrated will hinder your efforts. Number 6. Be grateful. Many personality variables must coincide for you to thrive at whatever venture you've started in order to get wealthy. It's critical to remain modest and grateful for the progress you've achieved along the journey. People do not want to donate their money to someone who does not appear to value it, or who becomes overly enamored with even moderate achievement. The way to go is to keep your life in perspective, and to have a considerate, appreciative, and humble attitude. Number 5. Start a business. This is much easier said than done, but the final 4 steps establish the foundation for you to be able to start your own company. This might be a terrific way to make money if you have a knack for business or want to be your own boss. However, as many entrepreneurs will tell you, starting a firm needs a large initial investment and poor revenue. Being an entrepreneur isn't a quick method to get rich. It's a whole lifestyle transformation. It comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, and it's often well worth it. This is not, however, a decision to be taken lightly. To be successful, you'll need dedication, grit, and a little luck. While it may take some time, it will undoubtedly assist you in becoming wealthy. Number 4. Invest. The fundamental idea of investing is that you make more money than you spend. However, it is critical to make informed investing decisions. There are numerous venues where you can invest your money, but determining which one will yield a profit is challenging. Real estate can be a smart investment at times, but it is also costly. Stock market investing does not have to be expensive, but it can be dangerous and volatile. A 401k is a good investment that you should make, but it is dependent on the performance of the company you work for. When it comes to investing, there are numerous aspects to consider. So make sure you think about it rationally before making a decision. Consult with professionals or friends who have invested before. Number 3. Create a plan and follow it. The chances of unexpectedly stumbling onto endless wealth are exceedingly slim. While it may appear that many of the success stories you hear are dependent on luck, this is not the case. Although there is an element of chance and luck involved, most wealthy people have amassed their wealth through meticulous planning and effort. Budgets and schedules are included, as well as a plan for what to do at each step along the route to success. It's critical not to become complacent and to try your best to keep going, and having a strategy can help you avoid wasting time. Creating and sticking to a budget is only one step in this process. Number 2. Tax yourself. Saving money is an idea that has been around for a long time when you really want something. However, it's very easy to dig into your funds. The key to achieving your aim of accumulating wealth is to make an effort to save money. Viewing your savings as taxes is another way to look at them. Once you've paid your taxes, you'll never get your money back in full. In the same way, you should treat your savings. Set money aside in a savings account or move it to an account that you won't be able to touch. Treat your savings as if it were money you'd never see again until the day you get it all back at once. Number 1. Add value. Many self-made millionaires have one thing in common: they are valued in specific ways. Even when billionaires and millionaires are excluded, many wealthy people, doctors, engineers, and filmmakers have become wealthy by first contributing value to themselves and then adding value to the world. A wealthy neurosurgeon, for example, may be exceptionally talented and skilled. After increasing their personal talents and quality of life, this surgeon offered value to the globe. Adding value to oneself is an excellent place to start on your path to wealth. Develop some information or abilities that would allow someone to give you a fair wage. Persuade others that you are worth a high salary because you will contribute value to their life. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.